With Revolution Parts, you can replace your parts inquiry form with a rich and interactive online shopping experience for parts, accessories, tires, and more. Revolution Parts' Plug-In provides a powerful and simple online store with an incredibly easy installation process. Simply copy and paste the JavaScript code, refresh the page, and voila! No more clunky installation steps, no more outdated iframes, and no more headaches. With a plugin, page load times are lightning fast with the JavaScript installation, and all pages are fully responsive, meaning they automatically adjust the size of the content to look fantastic on any screen. The shopping experience couldn't be simpler. Just select your vehicle using the VIN number lookup or the vehicle picker, find the parts you want using the built-in search tools or parts categories, and finalize your request. When a customer submits their request, you'll receive an instant notification of the inquiry. Or you can process the order and accept payment online by enabling an e-commerce payment gateway. With a Revolution Parts plugin, you can say goodbye to your parts inquiry form and say hello to a simple, easy, and powerful online parts experience. Contact Revolution Parts to get started.